Hello, my name is Bill Eberly. I am a regional navigator with Navigate Reconnect, and welcome to making the most of your advising appointment, getting ready with Tennessee Reconnect. This video is for new and returning college students, and it's designed to help you make the most of your academic advising appointments, hopefully getting all of your questions answered and your ideal schedule set up for the semesters to come. So first, who is your academic advisor and what role do they play? As a new or returning student, your academic advisor can be your first point of contact in the academic area of the college, once you get through the admissions process, but separate from financial aid. They can be a great resource when selecting a major or program of study and a source of support when scheduling classes. They're knowledgeable when it comes to program requirements, and they are who you'll go to if you ever want to change your major. Finally, you might be assigned a specific academic advisor based on your chosen program of study. For instance, if you're in the engineering department or engineering program, they might have their own academic advisor who only works with students in that program of study. Next, let's talk about why you might have an advising appointment. As a new student, this is when you will likely make a degree plan, something like a roadmap for the classes you'll take throughout the entirety of your time at school. You'll also schedule your classes for the coming semester, or maybe even the entire year, depending on how your school works. As a current student, this is your chance to discuss any challenges or difficulties you've been having in classes so far. It's also your chance to schedule your classes, discuss the progress that you've been making, and prepare for a program application if you're applying to a specific program within the school or graduation. If you're a transfer student, this will be a great time to review the credits and courses that you're trying to transfer over from your previous school to your current school with your advisor. They can tell you which credits will transfer, what requirements they'll meet, and then you can work together to establish a new degree path and course schedule based on the classes that you've transferred in. For all students, this is a great time to ask questions, bring your questions, and to get excited about the coming semester. So what do you need to bring to your advising appointment? Make sure you have your student ID or know your student ID number. Every time a student has to speak with someone at a college office, they're going to ask first for your student ID number. It's also a good idea to review your student portal or your student account for any holds or anything that might prevent you from registering for classes before you meet with your advisor. Just log into your portal and make sure everything looks good. You can bring ideas for courses that you want to register for. Maybe someone in another class told you about a great professor or a class that you're interested in, and that's definitely something you should bring to your advisor's attention. Bring your questions, like I said, and honesty. This is a time for a student to really convey to their academic advisor how things are going. If the program's going really well, you love it, maybe you want to talk to them about an internship. And if it's not as exciting or not as interesting as you thought it was going to be, that's also something that they might want to hear about so that you could think about other potential degrees that you might want to pursue. I've already said this, but I'll say it again. Come with questions. This is your chance to ask any questions that you have about registering for classes, internships, changing your major, what might come after graduation, and anything else you want to talk to your advisor about. And remember, you belong here. Your advisor wants to help you. They want to see you succeed, and they should be happy that you're in their office or on the phone speaking with them. This is the time for the two of you to connect and hopefully get excited about what you're studying and the academic progress that you're making. Have a great semester. You've scheduled your classes, and now you get to do the studying and the work. If you have any questions or any struggles with your classes during the semester, you can always reach out to your advisor, usually over email or by making an appointment with them. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more college preparation tips, check out the Navigate Reconnect YouTube page. Thank you so much. Have a great day.